plant is evening primrose. It's called that because its flowers open at sunset. Each bloom lasts for exactly one night and closes again at dawn. I can't wait for you to see this miracle of nature in your garden. Our ancestors would use it to make a poultice for bruises, wounds, and skin eruptions. It turns out they were right. This plant contains two substances our skin needs but cannot produce on its own: gamma-linolenic acid and linolenic acid. They're also very important for the membranes of nerve cells, and that's probably why more and more people with unresolved nerve pain are turning to this plant. Here's a fast remedy. Grab a leaf or root of the plant and crush it finely, mixing it into a few drops of water to make a poultice. Apply it directly to a wound or skin rash to promote healing. A few other recipes you'll find inside the Remedies Guide: infused evening primrose oil for skin and nerves, anti-bruise poultice, evening primrose tea for digestive issues and mood swings, revitalizing body balm, lung tonic, cough and sore throat mixture, and cold-pressed sea salve for psoriasis. The sixth plant is evening